What time does school usually start?
School usually starts at 8 in the morning.
What do you usually eat before going to school?
I usually eat bread and eggs before going to school.
How do you go to school every day?
I go to school by bus every day.
Who was your first teacher at school?
My first teacher was Mrs. Khan and she taught me reading.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is English because I enjoy reading stories.
What subject do you find the hardest?
I find mathematics the hardest because of the calculations.
Where do you usually sit in the classroom?
I usually sit in the second row near the window.
What do you like most about school?
I like playing with my friends during break time the most.
Who is your best friend at school?
My best friend is Ali and we study together.
What kind of bag do you use for school?
I use a blue backpack with 2 big pockets.
How long does it take you to reach school?
It takes me about 20 minutes to reach school.
What is your favorite memory from school?
My favorite memory is winning first prize in a drawing competition.
What do you usually do during lunch break?
I usually eat my food and play cricket during lunch break.
Who helps you with homework at home?
My elder sister helps me with homework at home.
What games do you play in school?
I play football and cricket with my classmates in school.
What color is your school uniform?
My school uniform is white and blue.
What do you usually write with in school?
I usually write with a black pen and sometimes with a pencil.
Which teacher inspires you the most?
My science teacher inspires me the most because he explains well.
What book did you enjoy reading in school?
I enjoyed reading The Jungle Book in school.
What time does school usually finish?
School usually finishes at 2 in the afternoon.
What do you usually do after school?
I usually do my homework and then play outside after school.
Which subject do you enjoy studying the least?
I enjoy studying history the least because I find it boring.
What kind of food do you take to school?
I usually take sandwiches and fruit to school.
Who checks your homework in school?
My class teacher checks my homework in school.
What kind of classroom do you study in?
I study in a bright classroom with big windows.
What do you usually wear on sports day?
I usually wear a white t-shirt and track pants on sports day.
Who teaches you mathematics?
Mr. Ahmed teaches me mathematics in school.
What time is the morning assembly?
The morning assembly starts at 8:15 every day.
What do you usually do in science class?
I usually do experiments and learn about nature in science class.
Who sits next to you in the classroom?
My friend Sarah sits next to me in the classroom.
What do you usually buy from the school canteen?
I usually buy juice and biscuits from the school canteen.
Which was your first day like in school?
My first day in school was exciting but also a little scary.
What projects have you done in school?
I have made a solar system model as a school project.
Who teaches you English?
Miss Fatima teaches me English.
How many periods do you have in a day?
We usually have 7 periods in a day.
What do you like to draw in art class?
I like to draw flowers and houses in art class.
Who is the principal of your school?
Our principal is Mr. Aslam, and he is very kind.
What kind of books are in your school library?
Our school library has storybooks, history books, and science books.
How often do you play sports at school?
I play sports twice a week during games period.
What do you usually do in computer class?
I usually practice typing and learn new software in computer class.
Which festival do you celebrate in school?
We celebrate Independence Day and Sports Day in school.
What time is the lunch break?
The lunch break is at 11:30.
What do you usually write in your diary?
I usually write homework and important notes in my diary.
Who checks your attendance in the morning?
The class monitor checks our attendance in the morning.
How do you prepare for exams?
I prepare for exams by revising lessons and practicing questions.
What do you usually hear in the morning assembly?
We usually hear the national anthem and announcements in the morning assembly.
Who teaches you science?
Our science teacher is Mr. Kamal.
What is the biggest event in your school year?
The biggest event in our school year is the annual function.
What kind of classroom activities do you enjoy?
I enjoy group discussions and quiz competitions in the classroom.
What do you usually do in the playground?
I usually run, play football, and talk with friends in the playground.
What subjects are taught in your school?
English, mathematics, science, history, and art are taught in my school.
Who helps you in difficult subjects?
My teachers help me in difficult subjects.
What do you usually carry in your school bag?
I usually carry books, notebooks, a water bottle, and lunch in my school bag.
Which subject do you want to improve in?
I want to improve in mathematics because I need more practice.
How many friends do you have in school?
I have many friends, but 4 of them are very close.
What kind of competitions are held in your school?
We have debates, sports, and spelling competitions in our school.
Who corrects your test papers?
My teachers correct my test papers.
What do you usually do in free periods?
I usually talk with my friends or read books in free periods.
How often do you have exams in a year?
We usually have 3 exams in a year.
What do you usually wear on casual day at school?
I usually wear jeans and a t-shirt on casual day.
Who teaches you drawing?
Miss Aisha teaches me drawing in art class.
What subject do you want to study more in the future?
I want to study science more in the future.
How many classrooms are in your school?
There are about 20 classrooms in my school.
What do you usually write in English class?
I usually write essays, letters, and stories in English class.
Who leads the morning assembly?
The head boy or head girl usually leads the morning assembly.
What do you usually drink during lunch break?
I usually drink water or juice during lunch break.
Who explains lessons when the teacher is absent?
The class monitor sometimes explains lessons when the teacher is absent.
What do you usually do on your birthday at school?
I usually share chocolate and celebrate with friends on my birthday at school.
What do you like about your teachers?
I like that my teachers are helpful and kind.
What kind of exams do you take in school?
We take written exams, oral exams, and practical exams in school.
Who checks the classroom cleanliness?
The class teacher checks the classroom cleanliness.
How do you spend time in the library?
I spend time reading storybooks in the library.
What do you usually learn in history class?
I usually learn about kings, wars, and old civilizations in history class.
Who teaches you geography?
Mr. Bilal teaches us geography.
What do you usually eat at the canteen?
I usually eat samosas or sandwiches at the canteen.
How many floors does your school building have?
Our school building has 3 floors.
Who checks your notebooks?
Our teachers check our notebooks.
What kind of homework do you usually get?
I usually get writing, reading, and math homework.
What do you usually write on the blackboard?
I usually write answers and notes on the blackboard.
Who helps you when you forget your book?
My friend helps me when I forget my book.
What kind of sports equipment is in your school?
Our school has footballs, cricket bats, and badminton rackets.
Who prepares the annual function in school?
The teachers and students prepare the annual function together.
What do you usually learn in moral science class?
I usually learn good habits and values in moral science class.
How often do you take part in competitions?
I take part in competitions twice a year.
Who teaches you music?
Miss Ruxana teaches me music.
What do you usually practice in physical training?
I usually practice running and exercises in physical training.
What do you usually do on exam days?
I usually revise quickly and write carefully on exam days.
Who prepares the sports day events?
The sports teacher prepares the sports day events.
What do you usually do in break time?
I usually eat snacks and play games in break time.
What do you usually carry for drawing class?
I usually carry colors, pencils, and drawing sheets for drawing class.
How often do you meet the principal?
I meet the principal on special occasions or when called.
What do you usually do when you forget homework?
I usually explain to the teacher and complete it later when I forget homework.
Who announces important news in school?
The head boy or the principal announces important news in school.
What do you usually learn in computer class?
I usually learn typing, coding, and internet use in computer class.
What do you usually do during group projects?
I usually share ideas and help my friends during group projects.
Who manages the school library?
The librarian manages the school library.
What do you usually do in art competitions?
I usually draw pictures and paint in art competitions.
How do you spend the last day of school?
I spend the last day of school taking photos and saying goodbye to friends.
Who usually leads the sports team?
The sports captain usually leads the sports team.
What do you like most about school days?
I like learning new things and spending time with friends the most.